Airbnb. Answer you there.
Dito tayo. 7
Just leave that one there.
Baka mayroong maluwa doon.
No.
Dito na lang.
No, no one's gonna get that one. So this is our seat. Correct po? Okay. The touristang buwang is ready to go.
Saan ba siya? Diyan sa unahan?
I don't know.
O magtabi mo.
Wherever he wants.
Okay, diyan dito ako.
Already full? So, mag-grocery kayo muna?
Malayo ba ang kuan? Ang kanang bahay sa grocery?
Yung bahay nyo malayo sa Tagbilaran, mga 15 minutes.
15 minutes? Asa may makakuha rent a car diri kuya?
Pwede ra ka niya gamiton. Mo man service niya.
Sa kanang mismong balay?
Ako may
Ikaw mo magdadrive na mo? Turistang buwang gudi ay may ro.
Ganun.
Oh, sige.
You know how to speak Bisaya?
No.
Tagalog.
So he said that we can use the car. He's the one who drive us anywhere we go.
I can give you my number.
Anytime you want to use the car. So we don't need kasi plano namin mag-rent a car eh.
Rent a car niya. Pwede ako raman maniho. Every time nga lockdown mo na.
Sige.
Doon mo sa countryside, doon mo sa beach.
Tricycles by the house? Tricycles? There's a motorbike, right?
Motorbike. They have a motorbike one.
Right.
Naglibre na siya ma'am.
Ya kani?
Kani mag-rent mo.
Mag-rent mi ani. Pila po yung rent ani?
Depende sa inyong lakaw.
Ang lakaw, sige, okay.
May ba, paibaon ta lang mo kung kuhan pila i-rate na.
Sige, ano na lang mi unya. Inform na lang mi.
So, asa mataon na ron?
Siyempre mamauli. Sa bahay na lang.
Sa balay una. Tapos balik na mo mag-grocery.
Oo, mag-grocery mi. Kasi, malayo ang bahay dito?
Mga 15 minutes.
15 minutes kasi bibili din akong ticket doon mamaya eh. Para 14, biyahe Dumaguete.
Sige. Muna to sa
sige.
Sa balay.
Sa balay. Ihatod sa nato miniura. Okay, sige, thank you. Okay.
It's already taken us.
In the house. Okay.
Is there groceries by the house?
We're at Marshall's Vacation House in BOHOL, Philippines, and we just wanted to give you a little tour around to show some of the special things about the house and the whole compound. This is Rocky the dog. He's the guard dog.
For security.
Very security. He's very friendly. So he also likes chicken and pork. So let's go on. This is the pool. It's cleaned daily, and it's very nice. A little on the cold side for my wife and my sister-in-law, but it's still a very nice pool. As you can see, the compound is big and very clean. There's a little pool house that has a bathroom in it. It's a full bath and a shower, toilet and sink. Little basketball court. It's a pretty quiet neighborhood. This is an extra, I don't know, it's an outside area. It'd be great for kids. Video games. It's got some furniture, some lounges for the pool. There's a little kitchen area, microwave, sink, refrigerator. Alright, we brought the grill over. He also, you have the use of the one motorbike. You can use the other motorbike for an additional fee. So this is just a great area to be outside. It's a great outdoor area. So you can come up to the guest house. And this is listed as one of the 3 bedrooms that's available on the compound. In that bedroom, a sink, a little shower, and toilet area. That's a cute little extra room for a couple, some kids. A little closet. It's got its little individual aircon unit. Shelves, little desk. It's got hot water in the shower.
Okay.
You ready? Okay, now this is the main house. It's 2 bedrooms with 1 bathroom. It's got aircon in both bathrooms, or both bedrooms, I'm sorry. Got French doors to the larger of the bedrooms. Rocky kind of stays here with the main house. He's
really nice.
He's a very nice dog. Alright. You come into the main living room. Got some very comfortable leather sofas and chairs. The bar, it's got TV. Okay. You come in, here's the bathroom. It's decorated very nicely. It's got 2 sinks, toilet, and a nice stand-up shower. Like I said, it's very cute. Decorated very nicely. It's very clean. Okay, all through the Also, all through the house, if you look at any of the ceilings, the detail on the trim is really nice. It's got a nice little touch. Okay, this is the dining room off the living room. Really nice mahogany table. Little aircon unit, china. And then the kitchen is right off of the dining room. We're preparing dinner now, so kitchen's in action. Kind of an open air kitchen. Chef Gina is working her magic. Nice gas, got water, gas, sink.
And refrigerator.
Yeah. Now we'll go to the 2 bedrooms. This is the larger of the 2 bedrooms. It's really good size. Got a queen size bed. It's got French doors. The outside cord. It's got aircon. Again, it's got beautiful detailed trim around the top. Got a really big closet. Okay, then the other bedroom has like 12 beds in it. Has 2 queen size beds and a bunk bed, 2 bunk beds, and a little closet. And actually there's a stairway up to the attic, which there's a small room upstairs too. So again, the trim around the top is really nicely done. So it's a cute little house. It's a beautiful courtyard. It's quiet. It's kind of convenient to BOHOL, or to the city. With the motorbike, it takes maybe 10 minutes to get there. So it's a great place to stay, and near the airport now. And it's $90 per night. It depends on how many people are staying with you. If you have more people, then it increases and gives you access to the extra rooms. So thanks. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.